Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi Note 10 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and turn off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here. And as you can see, we are in the standard photo view. So let's go to the more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button at the right corner here. And as you can see, here we have the show grid lines. So by tapping on this, we can turn on and turn off the grid lines. This is how it works. So I'm going to stay on turn on to show you how it looks like. And these are the grid lines, so it generates as these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. And also it helps to improve our photographic skills in composition. So of course, when we want to turn it off again, we go to this button and tapping on this again. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and give the thumbs up.